In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove a contact from favorites on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, let's open up Phone app. And once it is done, tap right here where it says Favorites. The Favorites section is actually useful because you can add here the phone number of the person you often call, and here it can be quickly found. However, if you don't need some contact here anymore, then you can easily remove it from here. To do that, tap at the top left corner at Edit, and after that hit at this minus sign next to a contact you would like to remove, and then hit Delete. After that, hit at Done, and basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.